Kwami ungisa umfaka Mchunu uphinda abe umongameli wamabhinqa khona sikubingelela.
Ngiyabingelela mfowethu.
Siyabingelela. Mfowethu namhlanje sihlangene ngani la?
Njengoba wazi nengane kwethu ukuthi sithi ama illegal foreigners awahambe athengisa ama drugs ayiziphendula ingane zomahosha ala kwela kithi ngokungemthetho awahambe. We are doing everything that we can do and that we can afford. We are doing early symbol that we can do. How much serious are we? Siyakhala manje sicela uhulumeni wethu asilalele ukuthi ngempela sithi abahambe. Ngiyobona abafuthi beyithuthuthu belwa abantu bakithi bonke laba drive ithuthuthu. Kodwa bayatshengisa nabo ukuthi emlandweni akwazi ukuthi kungaba khona abantu beyithuthuthu babe semazweni angaphandle bethatha ibhizinisi labo bekhona bona unrecognized. Now is the time for South African president to listen to us and to make sure that he's pay attention and change all the nonsense that is happening in this country. They bangena la ngongemthetho bangena la bezontshontsha umbonile omunye njengamanje uyafuneka omunye uboshiwe laphana wase eMalawi babulala abantu bekole kubo benze icrime kola kubo bebuye beze la i-channel leyo nto more than 3,000 kilometers imingcele yethu ayinacingo ayinalutho kunemnyango kuphela.
Sephoyinti namhlanje nisimisela wenzani ephoyinti?
Uzobona mase sifike khona.